My name is Deborah. I was born in Holden, Washington. And Holden is about halfway up Lake Chelan and 10 miles in. My dad worked in the mine there. I really like to travel. I love Italy. I love to sit out in the cafes and drink the coffee and smell the pastries and see the people walking by or riding their bicycles by. They have so much history there and so much artwork there. I love to go and just sit. Men that work for the company are always so careful in my home, and they're very honest people, and so I appreciate that. I know today you don't find a lot of honest people around.